this, if we can keep our feet under us, we can stay tall at the hip and keep that core engaged. It's going to help you to not reach this too, where you're compressing your lungs and everything else. And my coach used to tell me I looked like I was sitting on the toilet when I was running. I was like this, right? It's not efficient. So stand tall, tight midline stability, keeping that foot under our center of gravity. So, something I like to compare this running to is like, you ever get on a bike and you're pedaling pistons? It's like a regular bike, and you're pushing down, very quad dominant, right? You can go so much faster when you get those clip-in pedals, the clip-in shoes, and clip into the pedal.
Yeah.
Why? Because now you can do more than just push down, you can pull up. And that's what we're adding to your running, is we're not just gonna push off, we're gonna pull up. We're gonna use quad, hamstrings, nice, efficient stride there. Make sense? Okay. So now the fear of falling. So we found the hamstring. It's going to take a lot of practice to keep doing it. But yeah, so working on that. So how do we carry that over into running? Well, now we want to start thinking about running as a controlled fall. So everything stays the same. I want to stay tight, tall in the middle here. Good. And now you're accepting that forward lean. So what that means is not a lean at the torso. So what our body does to counterbalance our leg being out here. But a lean is in, like, go ahead and put your feet on the ground, clench your toes into the ground, stand tall at the hips, holding that plank position, and lean forward as much as you can, keeping your heels on the ground. Bend at the hips. So stay straight at the hips there, and just my whole body, kind of like I'm bending at my ankles.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
But just enough, just as much as you can, keeping your heels on the ground. You have to dig your toes into the ground. There you go. Yeah? You can feel that? Okay. Sit tall at the hips. And now let's do that again. But this time, I'm going to come as far as I can forward. Showing that proud belt buckle here, right? Is keeping my heels on the ground. And then release my toes. You notice that, sort of falling forward. Well, with running, we want to take advantage of that. That fall forward gave me forward motion, right? But my body's natural response was to put the brakes on. That's what we're going to have to change. So now, if you'll go ahead and try that. So clench your feet into the ground, stand tall, heels on the ground, and then release the toes. And see what the body does. So that's what we'll have to break now. Is that fear of falling is why we want to catch ourselves. So now feet here. I'm going to find that figure 4 position. This is tricky. Go ahead and watch me on this one. So I'm going to hit this figure 4 position, softening in